How to see a recently watched video on YouTube. To see or view your recently watched video on YouTube, you need to follow these steps. Open up your YouTube application. Once you open up the application, click on the U section from the bottom of the page, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and select history at the top. And when you go to history section, you'll be able to find your recently watched video on YouTube. To see the entire watch history, you could go ahead and tap on view all, and this is how you'll be able to see recently watched video on YouTube. Now, for some reason, if you cannot find it here, then it means that your settings or your watch history is going to be deleted as soon as you actually watch or switch to a different content. Maybe that's the reason, so you have to make sure to change the settings in your YouTube settings itself. And that is how you could see recently watched video on YouTube. So this is the way you could see. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.